What is method overriding? The concept of method overriding comes when there is a parent-child relationship between two classes. So when we create a child class from its parents, all the method of the parent is inherited to the child class, right? Now, if for some implementation of a method in the parent class, the child class is not satisfied, then the child class can change the implementation of that method in it. If we see this example, here we have a class parent. It has two methods, m1 and m2. We have a child class which is extending the parent class. Now the child class is not happy with the implementation of the m1 method of the parent class. So what the child class does is creates the same method m1 with same signature, and we can change the implementation of that method in the child class. For example, here in the parent class, m1 method basically giving out the square of a given integer, but in the child class the same m1 method is giving us addition of that number with itself. So if we create a parent object and we call p.m13, we will get the square of 3, which is 9. And if we create a child class object and we call m1 method with 3 as an argument, we will get 3 plus 3, which is 6. Such concept where we change the implementation of a method in the child class is called as method overriding.